I've got a special surprise for you today. As you know, just about everyone is talking about video marketing these days. The only problem is virtually no one actually tells you what you need to do to get results. Well, I have just come across something free. An awesome YouTube SEO cheat sheet that's jam-packed with a ton of simple but actionable tricks that you can implement immediately to boost your rankings. And the best part is it's totally free. If you want to drive traffic with video, this YouTube SEO cheat sheet can really help you out. Specifically, it reveals a proven formula for writing video titles that get clicks, the 3 tags your video must have to maximize video traffic potential, the biggest factor that impacts video rankings and how to nail it by opening a loop at the start of each video, 7 simple tricks for generating natural inbound links, 3 psychological triggers that put people in a trance-like state so they watch to the end, why this is essential for earning stable rankings, and loads more SEO hacks. Download your video SEO cheat sheet for free in the link below. This will help you get on your way to loads more traffic. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.